Hi everyone, my name is Karim Shazli and this is CS50 Web, and today I'm going to be presenting my application email, which is a one-page website using JavaScript. So first of all, I'm already logged in with this email. I'll compose a message to bar.sample.com. Subject would be just hello and hello world. Okay, gonna press submit. I'm already redirected to my sent mailbox, and the email that I just sent is here. So if I read this email, I have a chance, I have the option to reply to this email, but that's it. Okay, now let's log out and log in with the email that I just used. So as once I log in, this is the email that I just sent from my other mailbox. It's in a gray background. So if I read this email, I have the option either to reply to this email as well, but here I have the option to archive. So if I go back, I have the email now, it's in a white background. So let's go in it again. I'll just archive it, go to my archives, and there's the email, and it disappeared from my inbox. So if I read it again, here I have the option to unarchive it since I'm coming from the archive mailbox. So I'm back in my inbox, and here is the email. The final option I have in this website is to reply to the email. So if once I click on the reply, it's already filled out with bar at example, try at example 2, so it's pre-filled out, and the original email that I sent. So for example, hello back, press and submit. Here's my email, it's in the sent mailbox. The inbox still has the email, the original one, so let's do this one more time. Here's the new email from Bart example with the hello subject, and this is the email, hello back, and this is the original email that was sent. Thank you for watching this. Hope you enjoyed this.